Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Sagittarius. So these are for your daily energies, guys. This is for your career situation, and I'll be picking one card for your relationship, Sagittarius. And for your guidance, it's from the Angel Oracle deck. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. The Temperance in reverse, Five of Swords, and the Death. So in your situation today, Sagittarius, you feel that you are facing some kind of troubles and stressful situations. Maybe for some of you it may be some minor sickness also. That may be the reason for some kind of weakness today in your situation, guys. Some stress and some troubles in your situation. It may relate to your personal life or your career situation, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you have certain faith and beliefs, and with this with your family or with this person, you may not have understanding. So both of your beliefs and religions, maybe for some of you it may be different, guys. So some kind of misunderstandings may be there in your situation because of these beliefs or faith that you have today in your situation, guys. And again, this may be because of some firm conviction that you have about whatever faith you have. And also for some of you, something of the past is coming to an end. Some kind of changes, transitions are happening today, guys, and some changes that are out of your hands, something which is not in your control is happening today, and something new is coming in the way of something old. So maybe if you are maybe for some of you, if you are in some kind of sickness, you are healing from it, or it may be some troubles in your finance, or it may be some troubles in your personal life. All that is coming to an end, and you are seeing a new beginning, a big change happening in your life, Sagittarius. That is what I see with this card here, guys. So for your career situation, Sagittarius, let us see what is the card. Two of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you may have people in your career, maybe your colleagues or your employees, someone from your team. They are not reliable, guys. They are not to be trusted, maybe, and they may be working against you, trying to create obstacles in your situation. So you need to be really careful, guys. That is what I see with this card. Someone is trying to create problems for you in the path of reaching success. That is what I see with this card. So what is the card for your relationship? It's Four of Pentacles. So with this card here in your relationship, this person you're in relationship with, they may be very possessive of you, possessive of your love. they may try to control you in some ways, or this may be your energy towards that person, guys. You want to control them, you are really possessive of them, maybe for some of you, you may be clinging to certain patterns in your way you behave in your connection, guys. So that is what I see. That may be the reason for some stress or some worries in your connection. So that is what is the reading with these cards, Sagittarius. So what is the angel guidance card for you? It's Archangel. It's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are there guiding us today. So with this card, the energy is that in our career situation or in our personal life, we have to be non-judgmental, guys, unbiased in the way we deal with our situation. We have to have that respect, compassion for that other person or the people who are in connection with us. So we have to work, we have to be with that true love, that unconditional love for the people we are in relationship with, and also in our career, the people whom we work with. We should have that clear perception and fairness in whatever we do. So that is what this card is about, guys. So when we have that fairness and when we have that tolerance for that other person, for their views, for their beliefs and their suggestions, whatever it is, we will be able to love that person and find that love in ourselves also. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about, and that's the reading for today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.